All right, so
Are you like getting one? Okay, there's yours. Open it up.
Open it up.
Open it up, Bubba. It's from Nana. Riley, show me, see your outfit. Okay, I'll take the paper. You show me your outfit. Hold it up. That's pretty. It's Dora. Say thank you to Nana and Julie. And Nana. Say thank you to Nana. Say thank you to Nana. Bubba, let's see your outfit. Isn't that cute? Say thank you to Nana.
No.
All right, and look. And Julie sent coloring books.
I want to color.
You want to color now? Okay, well, say thank you.